my birthday present. Look at it. This is my birthday present. I got it from Toys R Us. And this, you can paint your nails. Now let's open it. I'm going to paint my nails with blue and purple. I'm done painting my fingernails, and now we must wait 5 minutes to dry. Wait 5 minutes, and now we can put my hands. I want unicorn drum and key. Here. Now wait. How to take out? This is very nice now.
Okay, next.
Next, I want to put. I have to count. Oopsies. Next, I want to put flamingo drum. Oopsies. We just start selling flamingos. Where I can. Okay, go. Now put your hand over here. No, put your hand over here. Put your big hand over here. Oh, this hand over here.
No need, no need.
No need. Oh, okay. Guys, look at it. What do you want next? I want this one. Cakes. I want this one. Okay, now I want. Hey! On my fingernail. Now we are going to put the protection there. Come. Okay, go out. We need to wait for 3 minutes to dry. We are done painting my fingernails, and this toy is very fun. We buy from Toys R Us, and this is called Glam. This is a very fun toy. I like it. Easy to play, it's fun, and children can use it. The one you can buy from Toys R Us is in sale now. Here for more and clear to subscribe. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Please like and share and subscribe.